nothing more with AI and I. Tres, dos, one, let's kick it. Ghost you've ever seen. The prophet hums a low bit melody while the software writes my eulogy. One more prompt and the lights go dim. The silicone tide is rushing in. One touch of fire, a cold glass of ash. The countdown begins before the systems crash. It's a logic gate, it's a locked door. They don't need the human touch no more. Dale! Caught in the AI replacement doom loop. Falling through the binary hoop. Caught in the AI replacement doom loop. The algorithm's hungry and it's coming for you. And it's coming for you. A trumpet in the dark, a shadow on the wall, waiting for the rhythm or the crown to fall. Fuego! Shadows moving fast where the data streams flow. A classic the ghost in the technodrome show. They rewrite the past but the strings never lie. We look at the grid and we look at the sky. The system is searching for what we conceal, but they cannot simulate the way that we feel. Polished code in a perfect row. Where did all the paychecks go? A new wave croon for a digital age. We're just ink drying on a delete page. The drum beats a steady retreat while the bots are dancing in the street. Canta y no llores. The bassline is alive in a world made of code. Only real men survive. Caught in the AI replacement doom loop. Falling through the binary hoop. Caught in the AI replacement doom loop. The algorithm's hungry and it's coming for you. It's coming for you. The code starts to fracture. The interface breaks. We count up the cost of our human mistakes. A symphonic warning, a final heartbeat. The asphalt is burning right under our feet. Canta y no llores. The bassline is alive in a world made of code. Only real men survive. From the border to the lab, we shatter the frame. Only true men respect the boundary and the name. coming for you.